yung pong nagsasalita si Vice President Sara Duterte dun sa isang kwarto na madilim. I have a copy of a more complete video and I can say that the video was spliced and edited out. Meron pong mga tanong doon that led to the Vice President's response.
Madam Chair, hindi po totoo na splice yung kanyang binabanggit kanina na video. Siguro yung portion lamang na may relevant dito po sa topic natin, yun lamang po. Dahil kung pakikita po yung buong video, ay medyo magtatagal na po tayo. At yun po.
Meron po kasing video na mas kompleto at hindi naman po katagalan yung mga preceding portions
If I may interrupt, Honorable Marcoleta, we are bound by the rules to stick to what was submitted to us by the NBI.